teacher Genevieve Charbang and you are watching DepEd MP TV. Today, we will learn about resolving conflicts in non-violent ways. So, be ready with your paper, pencil, and your self-learning module. Our target learning competency in this lesson is to discover the conflicts presented in literary selections and the need to resolve those conflicts in non-violent ways.
Specifically, you should be able to 1. Discover the different conflicts in literature. 2. Identify the conflicts in literary piece. And 3. Discover how a conflict can be resolved in non-violent ways.
But before we continue, let's check your prior knowledge on the topic.
Select the best answer to each description by writing the letter of your choice on your answer sheet. Number 1. What does conflict stimulate from the readers? A. Appreciation. B. Interest. C. Reactions. D. Suggestions. Number 2. Decision-making, identity crisis, and feeling of guilt are examples of what conflict? A. Character versus character. B. Character versus nature. C. Character versus self. D. Character versus society. Number 3. Ernesto saw how one of his classmates being physically bullied in their classroom. Not wanting what he witnessed, he mediated to stop the incident. What type of conflict is displayed in the situation? A. Character versus character. B. Character versus nature. C. Character versus self. D. Character versus society. Number 4. Pepito was on his way to school with his friends when suddenly his friends thought of playing computer games instead of attending their classes. Pepito was then on a dilemma whether to join them or not. What kind of conflict is shown by Pepito? A. Character versus character. B. Character versus nature. C. Character versus self. Or D. Character versus society. Series of earthquakes devastated some parts of southern Philippines, leaving the residents in tragedy. What conflict is shown in this situation? A. Character versus character. B. Character versus nature. C. Character versus self. Or D. Character versus society. Let's check your answers for questions 1 to 5. Number 1 is letter B. Number 2, letter C. Number 3, letter A. Number 4, letter C. Number 5, letter B.
Were you able to get all the answers correctly? If yes, congratulations! If not, don't worry, we'll learn more about it today. Typically, stories have characters, setting, and plot. But there is one thing in specific that every selection must contain in order to generate interest in the reader: a conflict.
A conflict in literature is defined as the struggle between the character or two opposite forces in a story. It is the problem or challenge that the protagonist must face which drive each and every story. Without it, the story would have no sense of point or purpose. There needs to be some challenges in order for the reader to involve himself and pay attention to what might happen to those who partake in the actions in the story. There are two divisions of conflict. First is internal. Internal conflict happens inside a character. Number 2 is external. External conflict arises due to other characters, acts of natural phenomenon, or society in which the character lives. External conflict comprises three main types, namely character versus character, character versus nature, and character versus society.
Let us continue our lesson by answering the activity on page 5 of your module.
Identify the conflicts shown by the following pictures. Choose the letter of your answer from the given pool of choices and write it on your answer sheet. A. Character versus character. B. Character versus self. C. Character versus society. Or D. Character versus nature. Picture number 1. Character versus self. Picture number 2. Character versus character. Picture number 3. Character versus nature. Picture number 4. Character versus society. Picture number 5. Character versus nature.
Let us further explain the main division of conflict and their kinds.
External conflict, a conflict that takes place outside the character. Kinds of external conflict. 1. Character versus character. It occurs when one character has a problem with another character in the story or between a character and many characters. Example, policemen searching and arresting people who violate the law. Number 2, character versus nature. This type of conflict pits a character against a natural force like a storm, a predatory animal, or a contagious disease. Example, the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 3, character versus society. This takes place when the character is having a struggle with the society in which she lives in, including laws or the beliefs of groups. Example, people rallying to condemn certain laws. Racial discrimination. People who migrate to another place and adopting peculiar cultures. Internal conflict. We only have one kind of internal conflict. This is character versus self. This kind of struggle happens in the character's mind. We can see the manifestation of this conflict on the outside, but it takes deeper inquiry to know what it is behind it. Examples: decision making, feeling of guilt, identity crisis.
In the next activity, you are going to determine what struggle is faced by the characters in a reading selection.
Let us read the story, and after it, complete a diagram with what is asked on your answer sheet. The cost of a smell. Ulam lived with his young wife Himig in a nipa hut beside a rich man's house. So poor was the couple that their daily meals consisted of boiled rice and salt. His wife of 1 year never complained, as was true of wives during those times. On lucky days, when he was able to gather more firewood, which he sold in the marketplace, Ulam would bring some dried fish. The poor couple could not help but sigh longingly and look at each other helplessly every time the mouth-watering smell of chicken adobo coming from the rich neighbor's kitchen wafted into their window. But Ulam was not exactly resigned to the salty smell and taste of their daily sustenance. Although unschooled, he came up with an innovative idea. At lunchtime one day, Ulam and Himig took their plates of steaming rice outside and sat on a bamboo bench ostensibly set from a few distance from their neighbor's kitchen. They held their plates high and let the smoke from the adobo mix with the rice. And true enough, the rice became flavorful. The couple felt contented to have a hearty meal. This went on for a week, until the rich man learned about what his neighbors were doing. He confronted Ulam and insisted that the latter pay for the smoke from his adobo. Ulam protested that he had not stolen anything that belonged to his neighbor and that, as a consequence, he owed him nothing. He added that the smoke in question would evaporate into the air anyway. The selfish man argued that the aroma from his adobo was intended for him and his family and not for starving neighbors. He threatened to let loose his dogs to chase Ulam if he did not pay for the smoke. It did not take long before the neighbors joined the commotion. Each had his own opinion. An elderly man happened to pass by suggested, "I think you two should go to the village magistrate and ask him to settle your dispute." At the courtroom, the old judge listened intently to both arguments. After clearing his throat, he announced in a loud voice, "This court ruled that the defendant Ulam should be condemned to pay the owner of the chicken adobo with the sound of his money." Thereupon, he asked Ulam to hand him a coin. Ulam fished out a 1 centavo coin from his pocket and gave it to the judge. "How many times did you partake of the smoke of your neighbor's adobo?" the judge asked. "7 times, Your Honor," Ulam replied. "Drop your coin 7 times then, and you, Mr. Richman, listen to the sound of his coin. That will be his payment for the smoke of the adobo," the judge said with finality. Ulam did exactly what the judge ordered him to do, as the rich man looked and listened in dismay. "Case dismissed," the judge declared. Complete the diagram with what is asked for. Here is an example answer of the diagram. Conflict: the rich man would like Ulam to pay for the aroma of his adobo. Type of conflict: external. Solution to the conflict: the judge asked the rich man to listen to the sound of Ulam's coin as payment for the smell or aroma of his adobo. You may give your own way of solving the problem.
To check your understanding of the lesson, let us do the next activity.
Accomplish the puzzle with the appropriate words to complete the thought or ideas being established in each number. Open your modules on pages 8 to 9. For vertical, number 1, it is the struggle faced by characters in a story. The answer is conflict. Number 4. This major division of conflict has three main kinds. This major division of conflict has three main kinds. Answer: external. Number 5. Character versus blank is a conflict between a character and law or beliefs. Character versus blank is a conflict between a character and law or beliefs. Answer: society. Number 6. Conflict is a struggle between two opposing blank. Conflict is a struggle between two opposing blank. Answer: forces. Number 8. The struggle in character versus himself usually takes place in the character's blank. The struggle in character versus himself usually takes place in the character's blank. Answer: mind. Let's go to the horizontal. Number 2. Character versus blank happens when characters are having struggle with a natural phenomenon. Character versus blank happens when characters are having struggle with a natural phenomenon. Number 2 answer is nature. Number 3. Modesto and Modesta were having a fight that caught the attention of their teacher. This conflict is character versus blank. Modesto and Modesta were having a fight that caught the attention of their teacher. This conflict is character versus blank. Answer number 3 is character. Number 5. Internal conflict takes place between the character and his own blank. Internal conflict takes place between the character and his own blank. Answer for number 5, self. Number 7. External conflict is a struggle that occurs blank the character's self. External conflict is a struggle that occurs blank the character's self. Number 7 is outside.
We are now about to end the lesson, so let us continue by answering the next activity.
Below are some conflicts observed in our environment. Identify what type of conflict each displays and suggest a possible nonviolent solution to it. Complete this table on your answer sheet. The first one is done for you. Conflict: flooded environment every rainy season. Kind of conflict: character versus nature. Possible solution: plant trees, dispose garbage properly, clean canals to avoid clogging during rainy season.
Let us check your understanding of our lesson. Answer the post-assessment on pages 10 to 11 of your module.
Select the best answer to each description by writing the letter of your choice on your answer sheet. Number 1. What does conflict stimulate from the readers? A. Appreciation. B. Interest. C. Reactions. D. Suggestions. Answer letter B. Number 2. Decision-making, identity crisis, and feeling of guilt are examples of what conflict. A. Character versus character. B. Character versus nature. C. Character versus self. Or D. Character versus society. Answer, letter C. Number 3. Ernesto saw how one of his classmates being physically bullied in their classroom. Not wanting what he witnessed, he initiated to stop the incident. What type of conflict is displayed in the situation? A. Character versus character. B. Character versus nature. C. Character versus self. Or D. Character versus society. Answer, letter A. Number 4. Pepito was on his way to school with his friends when suddenly his friends thought of playing computer games instead of attending their classes. Pepito was then on a dilemma whether to join them or not. What kind of conflict is shown by Pepito? A. Character versus character. B. Character versus nature. C. Character versus self. Or D. Character versus society. Answer, letter C. Number 5. Series of earthquakes devastated some parts of southern Philippines, leaving the residents in tragedy. What conflict is shown in this situation? A. Character versus character. B. Character versus nature. C. Character versus self. Or D. Character versus society. Answer, letter B.
How was your score? Did you get all the correct answers? Very good! If not, don't worry, you will still have a chance by answering the next activity.
Have a personal reflection on the struggles you have been through and are experiencing at present. With honesty, accomplish the tables below on your answer sheet with what it requests. Letter A table, my past challenges. Example, my previous personal struggles, not making my school projects. What I did, I played with my cell phone. What I should have done, I should have made my school projects. Table letter B, my present challenges. Example, my present challenge, I do not understand some of my modules. Ways I think can solve it, copy the answer of my classmates. Help that I would be needing, asked help from someone knowledgeable like my teacher to explain it to me.
I would like to thank Sir Alex S. Chulinas Jr. for allowing me to use this module. Congratulations, learners, for finishing the lesson. Goodbye for now and see you on our next lesson. God bless everyone.